Coffee, avocados, and macadamia nuts, originating from various parts of the world, have been widely grown in China's Yunnan, earning widespread acclaim in a global market. Pu'er City, famous for pu'er tea, a deep brewed tea with a sweet aroma, is making a name for itself as China's coffee capital. In 2022, the city's coffee planting area reached 679,000 mu, and the output value of the coffee industry exceeded 5 billion yuan. It has become a leading city within China in terms of both coffee production and output value.
这一年，你这个外国的客户，我们是越来越多。从这个外国人不知道中国有咖啡，到现在认得中国有好咖啡，然后就慕名而来的越来越多。
Avocados, increasingly popular among China's urban residents, were predominantly imported into China. Now, Menglian County in Pu'er has emerged as the largest avocado planting county in the country. The total avocado planting area in Menglian has exceeded 70,000 mu, with this year's avocado output to surpass 10,000 tons.
现在我们种植牛果，相比其他作物，光伏轻松了很多。我觉得这个牛果是一个非常有发展前景的致富产业。牛果种植户的家庭生活也比以前好了。像我家7年婚后以后就去买了一辆车。
Native to Australia, macadamia nuts found their way to Yunnan in the 1980s when the province began experimenting with cultivating this exotic nut. As of October 2023, the macadamia nut planting area in Lincang City, Yunnan Province, had reached more than 2.6 million mu, accounting for over half of the global total. Through the years, these crops have evolved into pillar industries in the border areas of China, reflecting the country's expanding engagement with the world and its robust economic vitality.